I saw clips of an interview today that was just done recently with Todd Blanche, Donald Trump's attorney. And he was talking about the trial, and he said there were witnesses that should have been called that would have exonerated Donald Trump. There was evidence that should have been entered by the prosecution that would have exonerated Donald Trump. And why wasn't it called by the prosecution? Is this your first day as a attorney? Do you not know how a trial works? Well, of course you do. You were a prosecutor. You know how this works. The prosecution puts forth their reasonable case with the evidence they present. It is the defense's job then to present counter witnesses, other evidence that shows other things. For example, someone robs a liquor store. You have an eyewitness that says that person was there. Okay. But you have that person in their defense when they're on trial has three friends who say, no, that person was with me at our house. There you go. That's how the defense puts on a case. I'm not a lawyer, and I know that much. But the defense called one guy who ranted and raved and pissed off the judge and almost got held in contempt. That's about all they called. And one paralegal who testified to like one email or something. They put on no defense. And now they want to say, well, the prosecution didn't call the witnesses that would have made Donald Trump look innocent. That was your job. You failed at your job. But you're saying those things for an audience of one. You're saying them for Donald Trump to make him feel better. But, other attorneys like him or like you have said things like this for Donald Trump. They've gone out and said things like the election was stolen and we're going to fight like hell. And where are those attorneys? Well, they've had their law licenses suspended, or they've been disbarred, or sanctioned, or something like that. So maybe you'll join those ranks. I don't know. But I know you know better than this, and that was just completely and totally ridiculous.